Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity. In this tutorial, we'll explore a variety of time-saving Excel shortcuts. Let's review some common shortcuts you can use to edit data using the copy, cut, paste, and fill functions of Microsoft Excel. To copy an individual cell or range of cells, select the cell or range of cells you want to copy and press the Ctrl and C keys simultaneously. The selected cells will be copied to the clipboard. To cut an individual cell or range of cells, select the cell or range of cells you want to cut and press the Ctrl and X keys simultaneously. The selected cells will be cut to the clipboard. To paste data to an individual cell or group of cells, select the cell where you want to paste the copied or cut data and press the Ctrl and V keys simultaneously. The data will be pasted into the selected cell. To undo or redo a change, you would use the following shortcuts. To undo an action, press the Ctrl and Z keys simultaneously. The last action will be undone. To redo an action after undoing it, press the Ctrl and Y keys simultaneously. The undone action will be redone. To fill down, select the range of cells where you want to fill data down from the top cell and press the Ctrl and D keys simultaneously. The top cell's data will be filled down to the selected range. To fill right, select the range of cells where you want to fill data right from the leftmost cell and press the Ctrl and R keys simultaneously. The leftmost cell's data will be filled to the right in the selected range. Thank you for following this tutorial. Practice using these shortcuts regularly to become more efficient in Excel. We hope this tutorial helps you master date formulas in Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.